Welcome back to Leap 22, and now it's time for awards and for celebrations. From the Technology Foresight Centre at the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, a presentation to the winners of the Technology Foresight Centre Research Award. Please welcome to the stage His Excellency, the Vice Minister of the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, Engineer Haitham Al-Awahli, and the General Manager of the Technology Foresight Centre, Mrs. Danya Orkubi. And please welcome the awarding committee. We have Dr. Ibrahim Al-Masalam and Dr. Sarah Basahel. And now, we're delighted to announce the winners of the awards. Firstly, the winner of the Technology and Economy Award with an overview of quantum computing and its economic impact on Critical Vision 2030 sectors in Saudi Arabia. It's Dr. Mohammed Al-Sharif and his team. The winner of the Technology and Inclusive Growth Award with the Digital Economy and Sustainable Development, analysing the relationship in light of COVID-19 and climate change developments. It's Dr. Nashwa Mohammed and her team. And the winner of the Future Technologies Award with crowd counting with limited labelled data based on GAN, it's Ms. Bayan Al-Mutawar and her team.